I have never done AI consulting for a small business. Zero experience, but today I am going to build a real AI tool for a real bakery on camera and show you exactly what it cost, how long it takes, and whether it actually works. No fake case study. No, I am able to make $10K overnight. Nonsense. Just one business, one real problem, and the honest result. If you have ever wondered whether AI for business is actually a legitimate way to make money or just another hustle, bro, myth stick around. And because by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to do this yourself. So let's begin. Okay. So this is episode 1 of a series where I am learning how to actually apply AI to real businesses, not hypothetical one. So I know nothing about AI running a small business, AI project going in. So instead of making a theory video, I am documenting the whole process, the research, the mistake, the actual build. Think of this and as built in public, but for AI consulting. So here's the part that surprised me. 77% of small businesses that haven't adopted AI say they don't see a huge case for it in their business. Sit with that for a second. 3 out of 4 owners literally cannot picture where AI would fit into their day. But here's the twist of the businesses that have adopted AI. 91% say it boosted their revenue, and there's not a small gap. So that's a massive opportunity sitting right between confused and a converted. And it's not just one tool anymore. The typical AI using small businesses now run about 5 different AI tools. Means up from basically one experiment a year ago. This isn't a future trend. It's happening right now. And most owners just don't know how to start. So I talked to small businesses owner before filming this. And the same 3 things came up over and over. First, no time. Running the business already eats every hour of the day. Nobody has a spare afternoon to test 10 different AI tools. Second, they are buried in hype. Every ad promises AI will 10x your business overnight, and most owners have learned to just what tune that noise out. And third is, even if they want to try AI, they don't know where to start, which tool, for which task, and nobody giving them a clear, honest starting point. And that's the gap in this video, and this whole series is trying to close. So the format is simple and it's built around honestly. Step 1, I find a real specific problem, not a made up scenario. And step 2, I solve it on camera. That means you will see the research, the dead end, the actual mistake, not just a polished highlight. And step 3, I show you the real result, exact before and after, exact time spent and exact cost, no inflated claim. And no, this changed everything overnight. And just what actually happened. Meet today a local bakery, 3 employees. Here the exact what I want to say from the owner. I answer the same 10 question all day every day. Hours, prices, custom order options, and the same messages all over and over across DMs, calls, and working. And that's costing her roughly 1 to 2 hours a day. And time she doesn't have, and she can't just hire a receptionist or drop $10,000 on custom software. That's the constraint most small businesses live under: real problem and real time cost, but very real budget ceiling. So here's the actual build: an AI chat assistant trained on the bakery hours, menu, prices, and FAQs, embedded directly on their websites and their Instagram bio link. The process was 4 steps. Map the 10 most asked questions, build the assistant asking an off-the-shelf AI tool, no custom code, test it against real customer messages, and hand it off with a one-page how-to guide so the owner isn't dependent on me forever. So people always ask about total build time was about 6 hours and spread across 3 days. So and the ongoing cost is $20 a month, and that's it. And no five-figure invoice and no engineering team. Before 1 to 2 hours a day answering repeated questions, slow replies, and outside business hours, the owner getting interrupted mid-task constantly, and zero record of what customer actually ask. After the assistant answer instantly 24 by 7, the owner reclaims roughly 8 hours a week. The customers get answers at midnight, not just 9 to 5. And now there are an actual dashboard showing the most common question, which means better decision going forward, no just better replies. If I were charging for this as a consultant, here's roughly how I had priced it. A starter setup, one AI assistant for workflow, built and handoff, exactly like today's bakery project, sit around $300 to $500. Monthly support, where you keep it's updated and tuned as their business on changes, runs 150 to 300 a dollar a month. And a full audit, reviewing the entire business and mapping every places that AI could realistically help, is 75 or 750 and up. This is the actual monetization path, and you are not selling hype, you are selling a specific probable outcome. That's the difference between a viral AI trend and a real service business. So this is an episode 1 of ongoing series. So one real business, one real AI project, and every 2 weeks mistake included. If this was helpful, subscribe so you don't miss the next build. If you know a small business with an AI safe problem, drop it in the comment. I am looking for the next case study. And if you want help applying this to your own business, there's a link in the description. Then thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one. For that, bye.